Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
British woman detained by U.S. border officials following visa misunderstanding. A woman from Wales has been held at a secure U.S. border facility for 11 days following a misunderstanding with her visa. Becky Burke, 28, has been held by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE officials in Washington state after she attempted to cross the border into Canada. It is alleged that her receipt of free accommodation in the States in exchange for helping around the house contributed as working illegally, in violation of her visa. Her father, Paul Burke, has urged travelers to ensure they understand their visas to ensure that they do not fall foul in a similar way. He told the BBC, "They keep saying in all their booklets that this is not a prison. It's hard to distinguish from my conception of a prison." Don't miss, Reform MP backs one in, one out, immigration policy after call to halt arrivals latest. Ms. Burke arrived in the country on 7 January, and traveled to various cities, staying with host families, in exchange for doing household chores. At the end of February, she left Seattle and attempted to cross the Canadian border en route to Vancouver, but was interrogated, and subsequently denied entry over concerns that she might work illegally once in the country. Despite claiming that no money changed hands, she was deemed to have worked and had violated her visa. She is now being held at an immigration detention center in Tacoma, Washington, which she describes as maxed out. She said, "They wake us up at 6:30 a.m. There is never enough time to sleep. It's so cold. I wear the same jumper for a week. They're short or out of stuff like blankets and extra clothes. I have one towel." Don't miss, Trump rages threatening 250% tariffs as trade war fears explode latest. Trump session, as tariffs wipe out 3.4% gains and U.S. stocks nosedive latest, Meghan Markle copies Princess Kate as she rocks 750-pound blazer latest. We use your sign-up to provide content in ways you've consented to and to improve our understanding of you. This may include adverts from us and third parties based on our understanding. You can unsubscribe at any time. Read our privacy policy. I came to the U.S. for the first time 2 years ago. I had a great time, that's why I wanted to come back again. I love nature and hiking. Now I see no nature in here at all. According to immigration experts, once Ms. Burke had told of the details of her accommodation arrangements in the U.S., her detention was likely unavoidable. Melissa Chavin, a U.S. immigration lawyer based in London, told the BBC that Ms. Burke could be released either through voluntary departure or expedited removal. However, the process could take longer than usual after approximately 700 immigration judges resigned or were fired by the Trump administration since his election victory. The family have admitted that they do not know how to get the case to secure a voluntary departure in front of a judge. The family have reached out to the UK Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office, FCDO, who confirmed that they were assisting a British national. Monmouthshire MP Catherine Fuchs has brought the matter up with Foreign Secretary David Lammy. She said, "I am deeply concerned about my constituents' welfare and the distress this situation is causing her and her family." Ms. Burke had organized some of her trip through Workaway, which matches hosts with travelers. A spokesperson for the company said it was very sad to hear about the case, but that it was the responsibility of the traveler and host family to ensure that they were acting within the confines of the law. They added, "Unfortunately, if these warnings are not followed and someone attempts to enter the United States without the correct permissions or visas in place, then the U.S. Border Control are within their rights to refuse entry."